So let me change to here. Live chat. That's good. All right. So let me first ask you guys, what are the trading symbols that you are tracking with or you are holding position with? Do you have any items that you want me check, like gold or Bitcoin? Which one you want to start first? Yeah, just give me a. Yeah, you can just leave me the in the FX pairs BTC. Okay, good. So probably I'm going to start with BTC first. Okay.
Recording in progress.
So, ladies and gentlemen, today is 2021-09-22. Okay, September 22nd, and we are going to have the FOMC meeting in just another 2 hours. And our BTC has last weeks, okay, and we see the impulsive wave already come in. Okay, so this I actually give you guys a hint that I'm saying that watch for this. Okay, let me just give you an idea. All right. So in a bullish wave, we just divide the market into two types. Okay. Type one, type A, will be the bullish as dominating. Dominating. Okay. Type B, bearish, dominating. All right. So can you describe that? What is the type A's? The behavior. Anyone? Or what does a bullish dominating wave looks like? Something like this, right? Bullish wave, correction, another bullish wave, another correction, and another bullish wave. Typically, there will be like three impulse wave. Am I right? Do you agree? Okay, if you agree, you can just give me five. Type five in the chatting room so that I can get you. Okay. Thank you. You try and thank you, Cosmo. So when you ever see something like this, okay, when you ever see something like this, you can just consider it as a bullish dominating scenario. Okay, I always like to divide the composite, the very comprehensive or very difficult market into simple but different scenarios. So this actually helps you to doing better. Okay, when you understand the trading logic. Okay, so you can apply the same logic as I do, right? So first, you divide the market into two types of bullish dominating or bearish dominating. And in bullish dominating, you will have to see this. Okay, bullish wave are stronger, and the time. What is the time? Time is longer or shorter? Anyone? In a bullish dominating scenario, do you see the time is longer or short for the rally, or do you see a very short rally or very you know long-term period of sell mode? Which one do you see? Which one? Yes. The answer is in bullish dominating. Okay, the rally will takes more time. Okay, more time and more space. The bearish will be shorter and lower in the minimum space or lesser space than the rally wave B. Okay. Yes. Okay. And it is just a cycle like this. Okay. Keep repeating the cycle. Dominating wave, correction, another dominating. Okay. So this is a bullish wave. And what is in bearish? Bearish dominating, very strong sell, a very small pullback, a very short-term pullback, and then another strong sell, another short-term pullback, and then go for another low. Okay, lower low, lower high, and typically you can draw this channel, right? Channel represents a trend. Okay, good. So where are we now, guys, for Bitcoin? If you apply this logic, where are we now? Do you believe, if you consider this, okay, my first question is, can you treat this whole wave as a very strong bullish dominating wave? Can you? If you do agree, you can type 3 in the screen. Listen to my question carefully. Can you consider this as a strong bullish dominating wave? By dominating meaning that it is really, really, strong. It is so strong that nobody can, say no. Yeah, it is not a bullish wave. It is a bullish wave, right? It rallied from 30K to 50K. Such strong move. It only occurred in the last 3 months, right? And what is a recent wave? How you can describe this? Yeah, this wave is like this bearish, right? Inside bar breaks down or makes lower low, lower high. Yeah, many people will consider this as a bearish move. But if you can put these two together, what do you think? Okay, get the picture here. Do you consider this as a bullish dominating wave? Are we somewhere at here? Hmm. Or here? Which one do you think? If you consider this as a very strong bullish wave and now it's coming down, do you see this a correction or do you see the bearish reverse? So we are here. Okay? As long as the price will never break the new low, and then it is a bullish wave, right? Okay, good. So we have a initial low, we have an initial high, we have a potential higher low, and we may have another higher high. Right? And the ABCD pattern tells me that it may rally back to 60K in the future. Okay? It may rally back to 60K in the future, which is here. That we call a bullish wave. Right? Bullish wave. So we are here now. So now let me ask you, are you interested to buying some, Bitcoin and aim for this kind of a wave? Another dominant wave? Do you want to trade this wave or not? Hmm. Give me your answer. Yeah, very serious. You have to decide now. You have to decide which side you want to join. You want to join the bear side, or you want to join the bullish side, based on current situation, right? Do you believe that there is a potential, there is a possibility? Okay, the Bitcoin after this sell, after this bearish move, but it hits the previous neckline, it hits the 618 and start to reverse, and the next rally could be as strong as the first wave. Because we have seen so many times, right? You can see here a strong wave up, okay? A two-wave correction, but didn't break new low. And what is the second wave? What is the second wave? Boom! It just flies, right? It just flies like this. So do you have any belief in some patterns like this? Okay, let me just draw this as a dash. So this isn't something may happen or hasn't happened, right? Okay, our capacity, no, let me just change arrow, no, okay, dash right here. So every time when you see a strong rally, this represents a finished or represents a completing wave, right? Completed wave. We see a rally, we see a pullback. Okay, let me ask you, do you believe something like this will happen? Do you believe? No, Madhan, don't you don't consider the inside bar first. You answer my question first. When you see something like this happens in any stocks or in any, patterns like A, B, C, my question is, do you have the vision that you want to see the C to D to happen or not? Do you believe this pattern or not? Everyone, give me your answer. Like we have a very strong bullish dominating wave. Okay, now the correction happens. Correction finish at the previous like middle place or 618 or whatever support, and the price start to reverse. Do you believe something like this will happen? Yes, you got to believe this. Otherwise, you will never make big money. Look at Tesla. Okay, if you never believe this pattern, will you hold the price like in 82 and then it just shoots to 800? Okay, tell me, is this simple like this, like that? A rally followed by a small correction, didn't break new low, and then boom, just flies. Give me five if you see the pattern like this. You understand what I'm talking. This is very, very powerful pattern, right? A rally, a correction, then boom, just flies. Do you do you see the Tesla same pattern like this as the BTC? And can you find it more? Can you treat like this? Is this the same pattern? Here, a bullish wave, a correction, boom, it flies. Do you see something like this happen? Is the same? Yes, it's still the same. Okay, look at Apple. Whoa, we have here a strong wave up, a correction wave happen, and after the correction, boom, it flies. Okay, it happens in 2019. Will you see something like this in even earlier time? Guess. Will you see something like this pattern? Will you see this pattern in someone earlier? Yes, definitely it has. Here, bullish wave, correction, boom, flies, right? Very strong bullish wave, very good correction, boom, just the market always doing something like this, right? Whenever there's a bullish dominating wave, it's just simple like that. And my question is, if you really believe in this, and when every time there is a potential, there is a possibility, some here, when you are here, are you going to buy or not? The question is here. Are you willing to buy it or not? Okay, let me just give a question mark here. Mhm. You understand that there are bullish wave correction, and if I'm right, there has to be another rally. There has to be. Okay, once it is in a bullish wave, it has to be this. So we are here, and you're thinking, yeah, okay, it's a bullish dominating wave, it's correction, the correction may end here, and I do see a very good price action. Okay, Merrick said, yeah, we should consider buying after PA. Yeah, you can use a PA to help you to see whether the price finished the correction move or not, right? But my question is, when you are here, are you able to see the future? Do you believe this thing will fly, will have a very strong rally. Do you believe that or not? What is your vision? Okay, you got to have very great vision. Otherwise, if you don't believe it can rally so high, you will be setting it here, right? You may set it here, you may set it here, you may, oh yeah, it's too high. Oh yeah, the correction comes. Oh no, it's, yeah, I don't want to hold it anymore. Then boom, okay, you bought the apple at $2, you sold it all at a $7. Bam, that's it, and you miss the entire wave in in the future, right? You got to have the vision. Otherwise, you won't earn any money. Okay, so come here. Let's just see Bitcoin again, right? Using the same logic here. You see this rally? Okay, one by one. Step one. Do you see the rally or not? If yes, you give me Y. You give me Y. Type Y into the screen. Step one. Identify a very strong dominating wave. Do you see this dominating wave? Yes, we do. Step two. Okay, ask yourself, what is this? Oh yeah, it's it's moving down, it's bearish move, right? It has a lower high and a lower low. Yes, good. Lower high and lower low. Right, good. Step three. Can you plot this for yourself? Can you? I'm asking you. Can you imagine the second wave on Earth? Do you believe that it has the possibility, maybe back, maybe 20% or maybe 30% or maybe 50%? If the correction wave finished, it got to rally to 60K. Here, do you have the vision or not? If yes, then you will be very, very good buyer at here, 38K. Okay, this is my answer. Otherwise, you won't hold it too long. You don't have the face to think, whether the bid will go, yeah, you may go to 50K or 60K or 58K. Should I just close it, or you have all these kind of questions, right? And then you just let it go. You just forget whatever you're thinking in the beginning. You have to believe in this. Okay, ABC pattern. Okay, second question. What if the price never goes to 62K? Do you have any plans or not? Or what other potential scenario will be if the price failed to go to the high? Can you draw the path for the Bitcoin? Can you? If the price didn't really go to 62K, what may happen? Then you have to think, why does the price fail to break to go to 62K? Oh yeah, probably it will be reject somewhere here or somewhere here, because I do see this kind of resistance, right? Okay, so that give you the clue. Oh yeah, the price may go to here, and if it failed to break 52K, it may go down again, right? Or if it failed to break 58K, it may go down from here, right? Okay, good. So let me just give you the answer. If the price didn't go to 62K, then it may turns into this scenario. Okay, it will become something like this. Okay, if the price cannot break this level, and then you look left. What is telling you? Can we consider this as a potential dominating bearish wave? Yeah, it is. Okay, the price dropped from 65K all the way to 30K. It is a strong drop, strong bearish move, right? Okay, good. And after a one wave correction, second wave correction, but it failed to break 52K, are you able to see the next potential shorting wave coming here? Is it possible or not? Give me your answer. Give me your answer. Is it possible that if the Bitcoin failed to break 52K and it shut down, and there might be a very strong, bearish move all the way shutting it down to, 20K or not? Do you believe in this or not? Yes, it's possible. Okay, good. So now let's do this at the same time. We have two good possibilities, right? The first one, the plan A, is we have a strong move A, a correction move B, and then go to the second one, 62K. So this is the first pattern. This is the first. This is the first possibility. Scenario two: if the price failed to break here, it just shut down from 52K. It may lead to another, bleeding downside wave, and then where is the critical zone in this scenario. Okay, the critical zone here will be 62K in the first scenario. The second scenario will be 16K. Yeah. Wow. Now you understand. Oh my god. Yeah. The price may just all the way goes to here, or the price will go up to here. Then what can I do? My answer is you depending on the situation, right? Okay. If the price can find support from here, it may goes rally. And if the rally is so strong, it breaks 55K, it will just go to 62K. It just confirmed this, right? If it failed to break 52K, then you have to get the get this scenario B, and break 36K, it was just going down, right? So you have all kinds of possibilities, and you're okay to trade whenever the market give you a good clue, right? So now I'm waiting for this to happen. If this not happen, I'm waiting for this to happen. Okay, and I know what is my choice. Okay, if the price doing something like this, probably I will go into short the Bitcoin when the break 37K. Definitely there will be a breaking down. Okay, here there will be a breaking down, and I want to sell. If the price can support from 38K, definitely I will go rally, and I want to eat this all the money here, and I might be selling it around this level. I want to sell again. I want to buy from here. If this one cannot hold it anymore, I will sell. I will change my plan to sell it to 70K. Are you going long now? No, no, not now, not now, because the price isn't, in my favor at this place. I will wait for the price to test 38K first. Here, 38309. If you're using the Binance data, okay, I will wait for here. This one, if I buy somewhere here and the price really rally to 60K, God, you're going to be rich for this kind of long position here, because you're going to have a probably like 7.9 or 8 reward and risk ratio for this. How do you take into account the fundamentals news? Okay, the fundamentals comes as a significant driving force. Okay, if there's a bullish news coming here, the price will rally to 60K, right? If there is a bearish news, it will just going to be something like this. Bearish news will drive the price to here. Bullish news will drive the price to here. And you don't have to be worrying about this. You just find your good critical price zone and plan your trade. That's it. If you put your trade here, you buy from 38K, and you suffered from a very bearish news, boom, just hit your stop loss and just let it go. Okay, the news will either help you to win big money or lose small money. right? The news will not kill you, right? Unless you trade all your money into one trade. You're over trading, you're gambling, you are doing the all in strategy. Then one news will kill you, right? And I decided to sell after CPA as a reason. Yeah, you can. You can at least close half, or you can close 70% of your positions. All right. Okay. So my suggestion is BTC. You wait for 38K to buy after you see good patterns here. Right. It may rally to here. It may rally to 60K, and then you may consider to sell it because yeah, the harmonic patterns place. Yeah, you sell the high, it will give you a very good place, give you a very good reward and risk ratio. Right? Okay, good. So I will answer the first question that someone asked me. TLM USDT. Okay, TLM USDT. First of all, I don't know which coin it is. Okay, it looks like this thing has a very strong, impulse wave from 0.25 to $5. Wow, that's crazy. And now it is forming kind of a bottom. Okay, I do see a bottom part here. Okay, and you can use the same rule as I just mentioned. Okay, you consider this as a very strong bullish move, you consider this as a correction, and now the price is already giving you the 618. Right, it is below the 610, 0.20, and your maximum loss will be 0.06. Okay, good. So my question is, yeah, you can buy. You can buy this, but it may go to zero point 0.4 or it may goes to 0.80. That's all. Your first target will be here. Only when the price can break through 0.80, then you can have another, another move. Right? Let's check the Ethereum. Right, Ethereum. Is still in a bearish, small bearish wave right now. Okay, breakdown, pullback. You may anticipate for another selling. For the Ethereum, I'm waiting for the price to drop back to like here, 2592. Yeah, it's close to the range, to the zone, but it hasn't touched. So I want you guys to watch for the touch here. Okay, find some good patterns around here. All right, at least you can earn some, profit when you buy from 2592. All right, good. Can you please do a TA on link? Sure, link. Okay, link is something I like, right? Link, yeah, I like link. It has some good fundamental side with it, right? And you can see the pivot already comes here at a 13 and a strong wave moving up to 636 and now coming back to 20, right? It's okay for you to invest in some link here. I believe there will be good support at this level, and there might be another rally. Okay, going to 42. You can earn this money for Link. Link is okay. I saw ID in Jack 6366. Okay, your name is fancy. Do you make this name just to support me? Can you analyze dollar Swiss? Sure. Dollar Swiss will have the same move performance. Okay, with dollar index. Just remember this. It is super, super, you know, correlated. Okay, so you can just put the dollar index and the dollar Swiss together and go to check the weekly chart. It is almost 90% the same. Okay, when dollar goes down, dollar Swiss goes down. When dollar ready, dollar Swiss ready, right? Another second wave drop and another pullback, right? Okay, so you are asking dollar Swiss, you better check dollar index. Okay, and for now, my suggestion is, the dollar Swiss is still having lower high. So you got to measure the 0.95 level. The price trying to make a bottom, trying to make the second bottom, but it has very, very strong resistance at 0.94 to 0.95. So the price may go down again because in monthly chart, okay, if you're watching for currencies, you better wait using monthly chart, okay. Yeah, monthly chart tells you the dollar Swiss is not in a very low location. It may goes down to 0.80 again here, okay, as low as a 2012. The dollar may crash to here. It's possible, right? And in weekly chart, the pivot already shows at 0.94, and the harmonic pattern shows here, okay. In daily chart, right, this there is a ABCD move here already completed, so you can sell the dollar Swiss. The Swiss franc will be strong. Another thing, you can check the FinVis. It is always good to check the finvis.com, okay? And you just click the forex here, and you check the performance, and you go to check the monthly, okay? Here, in monthly difference, the Kiwi is the strongest, okay? The Swiss is the weakest. Weekly, you see, weekly chart now. The recent 1 week performance, the Swiss franc is the strongest pair. Why? Because the market is waiting, okay, for something, some disaster or some risky event to happen, and the market will switch to risk off mode. When the risk off mode is switched, right, all the assets that has high yield, that is moving very volatile, will fall. And the Swiss, it is it is a very risk haven currency. The Swiss is getting stronger. That's why the Swiss is become strong, right? So you can consider to sell dollar Swiss franc. Okay, it has great shorting rooms for you to earn money, at least 0.87 Chen. Okay, all right. Any idea of 60112? Oh, XRP, sure. Ripple. Let me answer the question one by one. Ripple is okay to buy. 0.80 is good, right? Yes, Ripple is okay to buy, guys. Wave up, correction, and aim for another ready. If the ready stops here, close this buy. Ready to sell. Sell for another breakdown, right? It will become something like a triangle later on. Okay, and then you wait for another breakout or breakdown. So Ripple is okay to buy. 0.80 is very good support. The price may go back to 1.2 or 1.3. Okay, but watch for this. Okay, the second rally may not break new high. All right, DIA. All right, DIA. What is DIA? Spider Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. Are you talking about this? DIA. DIA has problem. Okay, we have a double bottom already formed. Okay, a pullback to 618. May you want to sell? Yeah. PLTR. PLTR is share stock. Okay. Hmm. This one still okay. This one still okay. Have potential. Good pattern, good supply, a good demand zone right here. Ready, break neckline. It may go another ready, but it may have some problem at a $31. Okay, look for the gap. It may close the gap and then have another four. Okay. All right. FB, sure. Facebook, alright. Facebook, bearish, trend line broken, bearish, first bearish starts. Wait for pullback to sell more. Okay, yeah. Facebook may goes back to 300. 300 would be the target. All right. Yeah, something bearish for the Facebook. NIO. Okay, NIO, sure. NIO, looks good, right? Triangle. Yeah, definitely still triangle for NIO. Big triangle, big consolidation. The price waiting for some, more bullish news for the NIO. But for value investing, it's okay to buy from 28 to 30. Okay, this zone is okay to buy. Because NIO still have very good data, sales data in the recent month. Okay, the new energy is still okay. Someone asked me 60112. Okay, sure. 60112. What is this? 60112. Beijing Sifang. Oh, this automation company. 61126. No, I don't have the I don't have the number here. 126 or 127 or 128. I think you missed one number. It's either Beijing Sifang or Chongqing Soken Industry or Jiangsu Changshu Rural Commercial Bank. What? Are you talking about bank? Banking stock? No. Probably you're asking for this, right? Oh, God, it's so strong. Good choice. If you buy the Beijing Sifang Automation Company, good choice. Just if the bullish wave can continue, you can still buy and just mark the $16. Okay, if the price is above 16, you can still hold. If it breaks 16, you better go. Right? PRT already covered. 601012. All right, sure. 601012. Long green energy. Long green energy. What is the name? This one not very good. Sterling U. Okay, sure. I will cover sterling later on. This one have strong resistance at 96. Okay. It has a potential neckline here. So if it breaks 75, then the trouble comes. Right. It may go back to 60. I believe a very good value investing area will be $62. 62, I will consider to buy. I will never buy here. It may break down. Right. Okay, starting. Sterling dollar is at a very critical area. Okay. Yeah. So today, if the FOMC meeting failed to break the sterling down below 1.36, go buy it. Go buy it. All right. We already have the one touch, second touch, third touch. Okay. And the wave is coming kind of like this. Okay. Wave down, wave up. Second wave cannot break new low. Okay, third wave cannot break new low, and it got to be have another rally. And since it's a big triangle consolidation, the rally may break up. Okay, so I will be interested to buy sterling if 1.36 is hold. That's my answer for sterling. So watch for 1.36. It is so important, right? It is very, very, very important. 1.36 above 1.36, go long it. Below, you have to, be careful, right? Where's my color base? No, 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 no. I want to change the font size. God, appearance. Oh yeah, here. Skills test. 24. Oh, 2 bit. 26. 16. Okay, 16 is good. So gold ready starting if 1.36 is hold, right? Good. Fugu. FNGU. FNGU. Hey, this one is good. Micro sectors fund index three time leverage ETF. ETN. Micro sector. Okay. This one's still okay. Trend line. Okay. Inside the bar. Breaks up. Go for it. Stop loss given at 36, 37. Sorry, 33.7. All right. It may rally back to 40. FAS. Direction financial bull. Wow. That's why I'm not so good. That's why I'm very. I tell you, you got to be too careful because the leverage ETF will have high decay. Okay, so if the price didn't have a very strong rally, you may just losing out on money by holding the leveraged ETFs. Right? Okay, it's good. So today, guys, find your ways to buy some gold. Right? Gold has already finished her bottom patterns here. Okay. Okay. The gold, the flag pattern is coming. Break 1781. It just fly to 1800. And I can tell you guys, weekly chart, gold is playing something like this: head and shoulder patterns. Right. Potential head and shoulder patterns. Right. And the gold may just flip up to 1970 here. This is my medium target for the gold. Okay, the right shoulder is completing in a way. All right, can you please? What time is it being followed? Or you can use different multiple time frames. Okay, and use a price action to check in lower time frame to give you a very good entry. That's my advice. GM login says, how do you find stocks in which one to invest? Okay, good question. Hmm. For stocks, you have to use a screener. Okay, so you check the stocks. Okay, here you go to screener. Oops, it has the advertise. Okay, right? Yeah. Then you can just index. You wanna see S&P sector. Okay, you go choose a sector first. Say you are very you're very confident in like technology stocks. Okay, you pick technology, industry any. Okay, semiconductors maybe, right? Okay, then you see AMD comes, ADI, AMD, MU, Nvidia. Ooh, looks like Nvidia has good patterns, guys. Nvidia is okay. Let's check Nvidia. The price is still in the upside channel, right? It's above the average moving average. The price have a gap down, just touch the previous high. And inside bar breaks up in Nvidia. Good, go for it. Nvidia. Okay, check the daily chart. Yes, this is a good pattern. Inside bar breaks up, you should buy. 1 to 1, you close half. Leave the rest half to hold for another rally. Okay, is that simple? What advice do you have for beginners with 5K capital for trading? Okay, good questions. If you are beginners, I will strongly recommend you to watch my training videos in my YouTube. So you have to go to the youtube.com/project. Okay, I have a workshop tutorial for new beginners. My advice is, if your capital is small, okay, you still have to treat it very, very carefully. Don't lose all your capital. When you have lost like from 5K, you go down to 4K, 4K go down to 3K, and you just, oh my God, I lose almost 40%. Let me just, win back all the money by one trade. Boom, then your account is blown out. Don't do this thing, okay? You still get to plan good trades, all right? Set stop loss, change or control your risk amount into like $100 or $200 per trade. In my YouTube session, uh, I actually interview with a Wall Street trader. Okay, I do already put the video, all the 5 videos in my channel. Okay, and although the channel is in Chinese, but I put the English subtitles here, so you can go to watch it. Right, so you can just use this link. Right, I will just put the link here. Okay, uh, you can just subscribe to my channel here. You go to the Wall Street Master playlist and you can see all the 5 videos. It's very important, right? Luna. Okay, this is gonna be my last question for Luna USDT, and I'm going to finish my webinar today. It's too late. It's already 12 a.m. in the morning. I gotta sleep, and 2 hours later the FOMC meeting is coming. Okay, so Luna, where's Luna? I think my trading will just stop. What happened? What happened to the trading view? God. Yeah, it just didn't work. Too many requests. Okay. Sorry, I cannot answer your question for Lunar because the trading view just stopped. Yeah, you just stopped. Very very sad. So sad. All right, I think yeah, I'm not going to wait. So I want you guys to to search for this channel. Okay. Yeah, I already put the links into my Facebook group. You can subscribe to my channel. I will continue to upload more contents. All right, and in my English channel is a project. You can use it as well. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Thanks for coming. I think we have already covered many charts, right? And a very powerful pattern is ABCD move, right? The ABCD is really very important. Can give you a lot of money. Yeah, the ABCD move. Let me just have one more try. Investing.com. Happens to trading view. Okay, good. There we go. Luna. Sure. Luna USDT launch chart. Oh, ANI. Anas says, I have been following you since 2018 and you are one of the best in business. Thank you very much. Sure. Welcome. Yeah, it's my it's my honor to accompany you guys and we go through other, bulls and bears, right? Mm. Only if you can make money, and that will be my honor. Uh, you just sucks. F5, too many requests, too many requests. it just it didn't work. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So just wait for the FOMC meeting come. Right. Get ready to buy gold. Get ready to buy sterling. Get ready to buy euro. Get ready to short Swiss dollar Swiss. Okay. Yeah. I think the BTC we're ready, the ETH we're ready, the Sushi, Link, XRP are all okay to buy. Mm. You will see already in the future. This is correct for project. Yes, it's correct. PRO, not poor. PRO, okay? PRO. Project, not project. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming, my students. See you next time. Bye. See you. And I have to stop the streaming in TradingView here. Okay? Yeah, I'm to stop here.